Newborns have different sleep patterns than adults. They sleep a lot, but not for long periods at a time. Thankfully, there are many simple ways to create a healthy sleep schedule for your newborn. Newborns sleep around 14 to 17 hours a day in short cycles. Observe when your baby naturally sleeps and wakes up to understand their rhythm. Pick a bedtime that works for your baby and stick to it every night. Consistency helps babies adjust to a schedule. A regular bedtime creates a routine, making it easier for your baby to fall asleep and stay rested. A simple routine like a warm bath, soft music in room, and gentle rocking can signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. These calming activities help your baby relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Use dim lights and keep noise levels low at night to teach your baby the difference between night and day. During the day, let natural light in and engage in active play to help set their internal clock. This helps your baby understand the difference between day and night, promoting better sleep. Put your baby to sleep when they are drowsy but still awake. This helps them learn to self-soothe and fall asleep on their own. Use a firm mattress, a snug swaddle, and a safe environment to encourage good sleep. Too much excitement before bed can make it harder for your baby to fall asleep. Keep things calm and soothing in the evening. Feeding your baby before bedtime can help them sleep longer, but try not to make feeding the only way they fall asleep. Encouraging other soothing methods, like rocking or gentle patting, can help them develop independent sleep habits. If your baby wakes up at night, keep interactions minimal. Speak softly, avoid bright lights, and keep movements gentle. Swaddling helps your newborn feel secure and comfortable, making it easier to establish a consistent sleep schedule. It mimics the snug feeling of the womb, which can soothe your baby and promote longer, more restful sleep. A white noise machine can help block out sudden sounds that might wake your baby up. It can calm fussy babies and create a consistent sleep environment for better rest. It creates a consistent, calming background sound that can make it easier for your baby to stay asleep. It may also promote relaxation and focus for better rest. Newborns don't adjust immediately. Some nights will be better than others, so be patient and make changes as needed. If your baby struggles with sleep despite your efforts, talk to a pediatrician for guidance. They can find any problems and give tips to help your baby sleep better. By following these tips, you can help your baby develop healthy sleep habits, making nights easier for both of you.